Hello everyone and welcome to Live.Explore. My name is Yasmin Blair and today we would like to show you a very exciting concept from the area of furniture assembly. I'm sure your customers know this. You buy a piece of furniture, like these stylish cubes right here, and you want to put it together. And then it begins. Which screw goes where? Do I have the right tool at hand? And do I really want to read the instructions? Probably not. Well, now that's all going to be a lot easier, thanks to the new Click Furniture technology. Just plug the components in together and you're done. The idea originates from a cooperation between HOMAG and the company Vellinge. Vellinge is a Swedish innovator and no stranger to the flooring industry. Installing wood and laminate flooring has been really simplified by their Click flooring system. This idea marked the beginning of the successful cooperation between the two companies. HOMAG therefore not only has a wealth of experience in this product segment, but also dominates the market here, and therefore has the necessary technical equipment to optimally meet the high demands in the area of profiling and workpiece guidance. And with its new idea, Click Furniture technology, Vellinge also opted for a cooperation with HOMAG as its machine supplier. So that's the origin story. The two innovation drivers have now developed solutions that enable the series production of this kind of Click furniture. And now I'm curious what assembling this furniture is actually really like. So let's see if it is as easy as it sounds. Wow, that was really fast. And that says a lot about its future potential. Our expert here with us today, Fabian Kalmbach, is also aware of that potential. Fabian, who might be interested in investing in this area?
Yes, the target group is primarily manufacturers of all kinds of takeaway furniture. From the classic cabinet to the bed frame, I have already had the most diverse inquiries in this regard. Another target group is the construction industry, where the time advantage and tool-free assembly play a major role. For tradesman builders and some restriction, also portable furniture, it is certainly also interesting that the connections can be undone just as quickly in a non-destructive manner. The machine primarily carry out presses, format and profiling machining. This can, of course, besides click profile, also be other processings.
All right, so that's the theoretical side, but now let's get into a little more practical detail. What requirements are necessary to produce these high-quality click profiles by machine?
Yes, the most important thing is precision and coordination of the overall process. HOMAG offers also a solution with a separate tenon-tech machine, or we also can add some aggregates on an existing edge-tech machine.
Okay, these are the requirements in the machine area, but to be able to produce the furniture, I would also need a license, right?
Yes, exactly. There are several patents and systems that customers can license to produce click systems. HOMAG provides support in the coordination process.
All right, Fabian, now it's time for us to get down to the hard facts. Which advantages does the tenon-tech offer?
For the tenon-tech, we have several options we can offer. For example, we can offer digital counter devices for adjusting the milling aggregates, or we also can offer automatic access for adjusting the milling units, or we can make a full automatic adjusting setup of the machine. In addition, it's also possible to offer the automatic feeding system for the machine and also the stacking system. So you also can include the machine in a full automatic machining line.
All right, so now we have the various different profile cuts. So thank you for that, Fabian. But how about when it comes to milling?
When we come to the milling, we have the milling units. So that's the most important thing on the machine. We have the milling unit in a stable execution, and we have a versus workpiece transport unit to guarantee that we make a good final profile cut. So the milling units are equipped with a jumping unit, which allows very precise jumping in and out of the motor. And on this machine we have the optional digital counters, which allows the operator to make a very fast setting of the machine.
Of course, that is very important for a good fit when assembling the furniture. Are there any other important aggregates, Fabian?
Yes, we have the grooving aggregate. This unit is for make the groove for the plastic tongue. So the plastic tongue is necessary to lock the profile after assembling the furniture. This grooving unit is in a special execution for making the profile on the edge of the workpiece and also on further inside of the workpiece in case you have furniture with a socket. And after the profiling of the groove for the plastic tongue, we have the inserter unit, which is responsible to insert the plastic tongue in the workpiece. We have the plastic tongues in the magazine, and the inserting unit insert it automatically in the workpiece.
All right, so that's the aggregates. Now, can I also produce solid wood furniture with the Tenantec?
Yes, it's also possible to make other materials on this machine without resetting the machine.
Okay, Fabian, so we have lots of good opportunities. What requirements do my employees have to meet, on the other hand? And is there any sort of training in this area available from HOMAG?
In general, you can say an operator who already works on an edge bending machine also can operate the Tenantec machine. For sure, he needs a little bit more training, but we offer the training either at HOMAG or also during the installation process at the customer side.
That seems to be very convenient. Now, if I decide to produce click furniture as a customer, what solutions does HOMAG offer me?
Yeah, it's, as mentioned before, we can offer various systems. So we can offer, for example, a Tenantec line, where you can profile the already edge-banded workpieces, or we can integrate the profiling in an existing or in a new edge-bending machine, for example, also batch size 1 line.
Thank you, Fabian. That sounds like an exciting opportunity to explore new avenues in furniture assembly and thereby expand the product range for all of our customers. And now, everyone, we have gotten to take a close look at the production of click furniture, but which products are available with the click? All right, some very interesting examples right there. So if you want to broaden your product portfolio and better utilize your production line, then this low-cost entry-level solution may be for you. The production of furniture with click furniture technology is an option for existing plants, but can also be an integral part of a new one. You can find more information in our live.homag formats, the live webinar, live connect, and the live forum. Many thanks for watching.